Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an excellent investment opportunity located in this much desired Vista Del Mar, Draxhall St. Anne. Is this 90% complete home with 2 stories and a large basement with independent entrance, which can be used as a self-contained flat, rental unit or helpers quarters. Located within 5 minutes of beaches, both private and public, close to attractions such as Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove, etc., and all other major amenities within Draxhall St. Anne's Bay and Ocho. This property has 7 bedrooms, 7.5 bathrooms, and 7,405 square feet of land, along with a self-contained basement, multiple balconies, and possible roof access, which can be used for entertainment. The property can easily be used as a single family, 2 family, or 3 family residence, since each floor has a kitchen, laundry, and separate entry points. The property has a view of the ocean and is off the North Coast Highway. This gem awaits your finishing touches and is suitable for income, vacation, or returning resident home. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.